The verdict on the Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple Trust in Kerala and the Supreme Court has said the Temple Trust will have to face an audit of income and expenses for the past 25 years. The audit should take place in 3 months, and the audit was not only confined to the temple, the audit trust as well. Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple Trust, which is created by the erstwhile Travancore royal family, had moved the Supreme Court seeking exemption from the audit of 25 years ordered by the court last year for the iconic Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple. Earlier we spoke to Sukirti for more.
Firstly, because it's a very iconic temple, and there are thousands and lakhs of devotees that turn up at this temple every year, which this temple is situated in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, and it has lakhs of devotees turning up at the temple every year. So a lot of people have their faith associated with this temple, their beliefs, the way they've come to practice rituals at this temple, and also because of its association with the Travancore royal family, which was running the trust. Last year was the first time they had approached the Supreme Court in connection with certain of their rights associated with the temple. That's when the Supreme Court had ordered an audit that the trust needs to undergo for their expenses, their income in the last 25 years. This year the trust approached the Supreme Court saying that we should be exempted from this audit. We are a separate entity from the temple, and the trust are two separate entities. We should not be governed by an administrative committee, which is going to be headed by a district judge. But the court has finally ruled that the temple trust will have to undergo this audit, and also this audit timeline has been set. It will have to undergo this audit in the next 3 months. And if we look at what are the final or key arguments that led the court to take this decision, the Administrative Committee's counsel had argued in court that this particular temple is in extreme financial distress, especially due to COVID. There is a lot of money that is currently in the hands of the temple trust, and they need to clarify where this money is going, how much money is going out. All of the details of that need to be figured out, because the day-to-day responsibility of the temple are in their hands, and they are trying to evade that responsibility. So it's very, very important that they undergo an audit. The court at this point ruling in favor of the Administrative Committee, which is headed by a district judge, and the temple trust, which is run by the Travancore royal family, that they will have to undergo an audit of their expenses in the last 25 years.